Durant aquesta edició de la Setmana de la Sostenibilitat ens hem centrat en el rol de les persones, perquè elles són els agents de canvi i els motors de l'impacte positiu. Per aquesta raó, l'acte principal de la setmana ha estat l'entrevista, la conversa entre el Michael Pearson i la Donna Hicks, Leading with Dignity.
When I give a talk or I give a class in dignity, the first thing I do is ask people, what do you think dignity is? 9 times out of 10, people say respect, as if dignity and respect were exactly the same thing, and it's not. I have a very simple definition of dignity, and that is that you were born with dignity. It's not something that you get from a degree or from status. Think about little babies entering the world. You'd never say they didn't have value and worth. You say they're invaluable, they're priceless. Respect, on the other hand, I believe is something that has to be earned. In my career as an international conflict resolution mediator, it was constantly being said that we demand respect, and they would go like this on the table, we demand, and I'd say, you can't demand respect, but you can demand to be treated with dignity.
Humanistic management, in short, is the protection of dignity of the people that you work with. The ultimate goal of it is well-being creation, of contribution to flourishing. We have many challenges that we're facing in terms of climate change, in terms of pending wars, in terms of really going back to basics of power games that aren't beneficial to many people, in fact, are threatening the dignity of most. We can do better. There's reason for grounded hope, even though the times that we live in don't necessarily make this very obvious. A new paradigm can help us get out of the mess.
Everybody likes the word dignity. Everybody says, oh yeah, that's nice, but they don't really know what it is. They haven't thought about their own personal dignity. What I want to say to everybody, the students, the faculty, everybody, but especially the students, you are born worthy. Get your dignity intact, embrace it, hold it close to you, accept that you have this dignity, and also learn how to put it into practice in everyday life.
Promovem un lideratge humanista que posa a les persones en el centre de la presa de decisions. Estem convençuts que només a través d'aquest enfocament podrem construir una societat més sostenible, més equitativa i més pròspera per a tothom.